no people. People might go this time.
Ready?
Yeah, ready, set, go. Let go back. That's just bad. I say my law, I'm gonna go fuck you.
Yeah. That's fast too.
That's just fast. Especially on that takeout, that be going.
Yeah. This is different from the other ones.
That be, I'm like, shit. God damn, I thought you might have a little gap. Yeah, quick gap. I couldn't even, I wouldn't even pedal that hard. I just pedaled so fast. I thought I could hit. I said, pedal.
Yeah, this thing will go 52 actually.
Fast.
Yeah.
I told you mine only go 40.
Yeah.
But you got a true 50.
Yeah, it's 250.
That be true 50 miles.
I knew I was gonna get you on the take because now your engine is pretty. I'm pretty sure that they got something like this at a hot run this.
Yeah,
but
I can put a.
You got the small. Yeah, you got a. Yeah. Small one. Yeah. All right, man.
Right. That motherfucker fast. I ain't never got the only one that ever beat. I'm remember that, bro.